Okay, so I'm going to show you how to load a program onto a card. Now, first off, we have a few special cards. We have the rotor card, we have the license plate card, and also the bezel card. You never load a program onto those cards unless you understand what you are doing. So what you want to do is find a blank card. When you plug it into your computer, make sure that it is the brand name up, whatever it is, with the white back. That's the bottom of the card where we have our notes and whatnot. That needs to be down. Be careful as you insert it into the card reader, that way you don't bend any pins. How you know that it is fully inserted is that the red light right there is lit up. It's saying that it's reading the card. Now, a pop-up should pop up, but if it doesn't, look down here in the corner and you'll see the yellow folder, okay? It'll start flashing, so you click it, and now we get the pop-up. Open your folder to view the files, and here's where you're gonna go through and delete your files. So I know that right now I don't need this one anymore, so I'm just gonna press the delete key, press delete, enter. I do need this file, the P96, so I'm gonna leave that for right now. As soon as you're done checking your files and clearing out the card, you close out of it. Now here's where you need to know where you're loading the file from. Because at the moment we load files from Merrymech and Sigma Nest. Now you need to know where to find your grills. So up here in the corner we have parts and nests. So in parts, that's where we load individual pieces. You know, it'll be this one type of grill ran multiple times. Nests are like when we run pillars, a bunch of different parts put into one program. So I'm going to load a truck grill. So I click parts, and then I scroll down here, and I find the customer, which is going to be Ferreus TRK. I click on that, and then I'll have a big drop-down box. Now I have all these files that I need to load, and right now the only files you can load from the Ferreus TRK are the punch files and the laser files. And that's where we punch it on the punch and then come over here and laser cut the rest of it. So I'm gonna load program TRK 129-3-logo-laser. So I'll click on it and I'll get this drop down. Now I want to look for that multiples of 3. Okay, some of them might say multiples of 1. I want the multiples of 3 on this particular program. I'll click on it and it'll drop down one more time and I see operation 1. I click on that, and if you double click on it, this will pop up. If you single click on it, you'll have to go and press NCT Ops, which is right here. So this screen will pop up, and from here you'll see right here on the tab I have NCT1 and Ops. I do not care about the Ops sheet right now. I only care about the NCT1. That is where my code is. Now I look at and make sure that this is the program I want to load, and if it is, I come up to where the Save As button is, but I don't press it. I press the little arrow drop down next to it, right there. You click that and press Last Location. Now I'm gonna name it, you know, and you can name it whatever you want. I like to name it something that the next person will understand what it is. So I'll type T1293, which means it's a truck 129-3. Now I'm gonna press save, and then I have to wait for the light to stop blinking. As soon as it turns solid again, that means my program is loaded and I can unplug the card.